I hate getting a wedgie when I'm riding. That's like the worst thing. And I know I said I wasn't gonna talk about things that I don't like. But I feel like this is a little different. My chain's doing so much better now that it's actually where it's supposed to be, tightness-wise. He's got his blinker on. Is he gonna move over? I'm gonna assume that he just forgot that it's on. Yeah, he totally did. He's not even moving. Oh, you know what I want to talk about? This is just pending if the mic is working well right now. I want to talk about different people's definition and idea of what a squid is. For those of you not in the motorcycle community and that are unfamiliar with the terminology, a squid is somebody that wears little to no gear and rides recklessly. There are people that would think what I'm doing right now is being a squid. Oh my gosh, where are all these bugs coming from? Because right now I'm just wearing, dude, your lane, come on. Right now I'm wearing like gloves, an Icon vest, a t-shirt, and a helmet, and jeans, and sneakers. But I've fallen before, I know what it feels like, I know what road rash is like. It's terrible, it sucks. But when it's really hot out, ain't no way I'm gonna wear full leathers. It's just not happening. Ow, ow. Van is kicking up these tiny little rocks that are hitting me. And because they're hitting bare skin, it hurts. Hurts even more that that skin is sunburned. I don't think that I'm a squid. I don't think that if you wear a helmet and gloves and you ride the way you're supposed to, like if you're not weaving in and out of traffic and going like 20 over the limit or more, I wouldn't call you a squid. If I see somebody wearing shorts and a t-shirt and no gloves and a helmet and they're like popping wheelies or doing whatever, I might think they're a little more squid-like. I have no problem with people that wear little to no gear. I don't care. Do whatever you want, alright? Because in the end, if you crash, you're going to be the one that's paying for it. So I don't get why people complain about that. What I do have a problem with, though, is if you're riding recklessly around other people, because you could cause an accident, and that means you're no longer just affecting yourself. You're now affecting everyone around you. As far as just like not wearing gear goes, I don't care. Do what you want. I don't know why that guy honked at me. That's kind of weird. That didn't really seem like a friendly, like, honk honk. That guy, like, laid on his horn. Oh well, I'm not gonna assume anything.
How you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me?